Here we have the mini wire rope crimping and swage tool. As you can see, it does 1mm, 1.5mm, 2mm and 3mm aluminium and copper ferrules. You've got 3 crimping slots there. And we also have a lockable handle, unlock that, and as you can see on the side we have the 2 wire rope cutters. Just going to do a quick demo now on how easy they are to use. Using a 1.5mm galvanised wire, 1.5mm aluminium ferrule, like for like. So just make your eye. Crimp the front of the ferrule first, nearest the eye. And crimp the back second. Okay, and then we're just going to show you how easy it is to use the cutters. Okay,